Hey everyone! In this video I'm going to show you how to use YouTube Studio to upload and publish a short in just a few simple steps. First, click Content in the left sidebar to open your channel content page. The main content view loads, showing your full list of uploaded videos. At the top of the video list, click the Shorts tab to view your shorts content. The list filters to show only your shorts uploads. Click the Upload Videos button to open the Upload dialog. In the Upload dialog, click Select Files to open your file picker. Choose the vertical video file you want to upload as a short and click Open. Your file needs to be vertical format and under 60 seconds to qualify as a short. The upload begins and the Details step appears once the file has uploaded. You'll see a preview of your video on the right side of the screen. In the title field, type your short's title. For this example, I'm using Fastest Way to Learn Guitar. Click Next to move to the Video Elements step. Under the Audience question, select No, it's not made for kids. Click Next to continue. Click Next again to move through the check step. Once the check's complete, click Next to reach the Visibility step. Choose your visibility option. For this example, I'm selecting Public. You can also choose Unlisted or Schedule if you want to control when your short goes live. Click Save to confirm your visibility choice. Click Save again to proceed. When you're ready to publish, click the Publish button. Click Publish one more time to confirm and your short goes live. Your short now appears in your channel's Shorts tab and starts distributing to viewers. Your video must be vertical and under 60 seconds to qualify as a short. If you need to change the title or visibility after publishing, you can do that from the content page by clicking on the short and editing its details. Shorts appear in a separate feed from regular videos, so viewers discover them through the Shorts shelf rather than subscriptions. If your short doesn't appear immediately, give it a few minutes to process. The platform needs time to add it to the Shorts feed and make it discoverable. And that's how to upload and publish a short in YouTube Studio. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.